these are the easiest algs for the J-perms. For the JB perm, your recognition should be there is a block here, and there are two blocks that needs to be swapped on the front right and on the back right. To execute this alg, face this side and then do R, U, R prime, F prime with your left pointer finger, R, U, R prime, U prime, R prime, F, R2, U prime, R prime. A little bit faster, it looks like. For the JA perm, for this, you can do the mirror of the JB perm alg with the L and F moves. But if you're not comfortable with L moves, you can do this instead. For this JA perm algorithm, the blocks that needs to be swapped actually needs to be in the back over here. So we'll execute it from this side. So recognition should look like this. And then do X. So you face the white side. R2 prime, F, R, F prime, R, U2 prime. This is very important. Wide R prime, U, wide R, U2 prime. A little bit faster, it looks like. Subscribe and follow for more cubing tips because